Hi there everybody. So in this video I have this Volvo S40. This is a 1998 and we're just going to look at I'm going to look at the condition of the spark plugs. But this is how you could change them if you needed to, or even the coil packs. So I'm just going to take these screws out. I've already undone that one. This is a T30 Torx. There's another two here. So if we undo those, you can then take this cover out. Now, our coils are here. We have this one here for two spark plugs, and then this other one. Now we also have the leads here, and to get to the spark plugs we just need to take this up. So I'm just going to take this out like that. They're not too tight in there. Always have a coffee at bay. So we can take this out. Just I mean, you wouldn't be able to put this in the wrong place because it wouldn't allow you to. It wouldn't be long enough. And I think there might be also numbered, so I can see a number 4 there and a number 2 on that one. So you got 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in there is the spark plugs. So I've got these M10 for spark plugs. Just get it in there, and I'm gonna undo that. Now normally the spark plug socket has a little rubber in which the spark plug sticks to, but my socket doesn't have that anymore, which means the spark plug doesn't get stuck in there. So I'm just going to undo this. And just get some pliers, maybe long nose pliers, and get your spark plug out. So that's the spark plug that's come out of there. It's a Bosch R5. Don't know if there's a part number in there. FGR7 DQE plus. This it's not really worn out, but it's looking a little bit black, like it was running maybe a little bit, the car maybe running a bit rich. But then again, it's not too bad. So I'm not really changing them today, I'm just checking the condition. And that's how you basically can do it, or you can put new ones in there if you were gonna change them. If you have your new ones, just put them in there, don't drop them in, or the little contacts can get damaged. So you don't want those bits there to be bent or damaged, and usually those come preset, so you don't have to do anything really. And that's pretty much it. So you then just I normally tighten this in by hand as much as I can. so that way I know I'm not gonna damage the thread on it, which is the most important thing here as well, because you screen them onto the cylinder head, and if we damage the thread, that would be tragic. So just get them in by hand, and then you can use your ratchet, and I can feel that's already tight, so just give an extra, maybe quarter of a turn, and that should be it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same for the rest. Obviously then you can just put your leads back on and your cover back on. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below. I have some new merch up for sale. So hope everybody's doing well. Thank you for watching.